My name is Ryan Robinson. I'm the director of the facilities at Pinkerton Academy, and my role here is basically to take care of everything from the buildings to the grounds to athletic fields and everything in between. Question asked was what additional cleaning protocols have we been put in place? The answer is a lot of high touch point areas, sanitizing, cleaning, wiping down throughout the day, and as many times as we can, lunchrooms, bathrooms, railings, doorknobs, you name it. And then at night we'll be doing a more thorough cleaning in the evening with a second shift, trying to get all the classrooms and more touch points to try to make everything as safe as possible. Okay, so second question was the additional hand sanitizer pumps. So because of everything that happened and the lack of supplies, we actually went to a new system with hand sanitizer, so we can now put in multiple versions of hand sanitizer in every classroom, gymnasium, outside bathrooms, in offices, and everywhere we can possibly put them. So everybody has access to them, and hopefully we can continue to fill them whenever we need to. And then the signage. So social distance signage, we spent a long time preparing, developing, and trying to figure out one-way areas through the buildings, one-way out. So we're trying to keep those areas labeled with arrows, plenty of signage for social distancing, 6 feet apart, trying to eliminate those gathering areas where people normally hang out, and try to keep everybody informed as much as possible. So I believe we have over 1,200 signs that we purchased and are putting out. I think that's it.